Alright, it's been a month now. We'll see how much oil we can get from our oil catch can here. It's been a month since I installed this. Oh, look at that. So that's how much oil we catch for a month. So, or for some, depends on how much, how many kilometers you drive, I guess. Also, but we don't drive this car for that every day, like, but we do sometimes a long drive. So, but yeah, for a month, this is what we get. So, good thing we catch this harmful oil that goes to your engine.